So far, we have finished the introduction about store app campaign creation. And if your apps are not launched in Google Play or App Store, and you just have an APK file and a landing page, then you need to refer to our APK process. The process to set up APK campaign include 4 steps. First, you need to send your ad account ID to our BigOSAM for APK whitelist, and then you can go to step 1, 2, 3 to set up your app event and campaign. And here, I will highlight the different settings from store app process, and then do a demo to point it out one by one. Okay, so step 0, you need to share ad account ID to BigOSAM for APK whitelist. This action is taken offline. So you just share your ID to AM and ask AM to add it into APK whitelist. Then step 1, app event setup. So first, here we have a demo sample. So in the following video, I'm going to do a demo to set up APK campaign for Perry. So let's go to BigOS platform page, and you need to log in. And go to your ad account. Okay, now we are in the ad account dashboard. And step 1, let's take a look back. Step 1 is app event setup. So we need to go to library app event and choose to create a new app. So in here, if your app is an APK, you need to choose others and upload your APK file. And at the meantime, you can go to your MMP tracking platform. For example, for this app, I use Apps Flyer. So at the meantime, you can go to Apps Flyer to capture the click tracking URL and the impression tracking URL, and you copy and paste them here for the future use. After I uploaded the APK file, system has helped me to identify the bundle ID of this APK file automatically. So we can see that the bundle ID is com.perrymatch.india, the same as I have indicated. But in my tracking links, the bundle ID is com.perrymatch.india-android. So we can see that the bundle IDs in my tracking link and in system are different. So what I need to do is to manually edit the bundle ID that system has automatically detected. So I need to copy the correct bundle ID from the tracking link and paste it here. Ensure they are exactly the same. And then we finish the manual editing. Okay, then we need to choose the category and the basic info. And next page is about tracking setting. Because I use Apps Flyer, so I choose it from the playlist. And I paste the tracking link here and submit. Okay, so far we have step 1 finished. So we have set up the app event. Then move on to the step 2 about campaign creation. We go to campaign and click on create. For APK campaign, we need to choose app install, and we can edit the campaign name per needs. And for budget, we recommend you to set as no limit because you still have another chance to set budget at ad group level, and the ad group level budget is mandatory. Okay. And here I would like to point out the second difference. So at ad group level, after you choose the app, you will still need to type the promotion link here. What should you use as the promotion URL is the landing page. So for APK campaign, you will need to prepare a landing page which has a button. After user click on this button, they can download the APK file. So for this demo case, the landing page we fill it here under promotion URL. And then we go on to set up the rest of the info like audience, budget. Here, the budget at equal level is mandatory. So the minimum budget is $20. And also the CPI bidding. And after you finish the ad group setting and ads and submit, you go to click on next to go on the ads creation. And then we finish the campaign ad group and ad setup. And before your campaign go live, you need to check several points. So first, you need to ensure that your account has balance. And second, you need to check the log about all the elements like whether you are targeting the correct GEO, the correct location, and about the CPI bidding, whether you are bidding with your expected CPI. And number three, you need to ensure all the in-app events are postbacked from MMP platforms to Bigo Ads. And number four, you need to ensure the bundle ID of these APK is exactly the same as the bundle ID in your tracking URLs. This is very critical and very common error for new users. And so far, we have finished the introduction about APK campaign creation.